At 6 p.m. this evening, we're going to bring you a story of apathy and lack of accountability in one of India's biggest metros. In September, in the heart of Mumbai, in the heart of Mumbai's financial district, an under-construction flyover collapsed, injuring 14 labourers. As is the norm, we were promised accountability, we were promised that responsibility would be fixed, but 3 months on, nothing has happened. There has been a report that has been submitted which authorities say they are studying. Now, my colleague Sandhya Gora brings us this special report, and she's questioned the authorities, the MMRDA commissioner, regarding this delay. Let's listen in first to what he has to say, and then we're going to go across to Sandhya for more.
No, the committee report has come. It is under examination. We are giving notices to the contractor and consultants.
Okay. So it was supposed to be out in 15 days. It's been 3 months. So have we fixed any accountability? If yes, who was responsible for that?
The committee report has come. We have given notices to the contractor and consultant. Depending on the response, we are going to take appropriate action, which is legally correct and technically correct.
This isn't, however, an isolated incident. Several times in the past, we have seen the civic bodies across not just Mumbai, but in several metros promising action after such infrastructure crumbling, but no accountability being fixed. In fact, this flyover was only one in a series of incidents that we've seen over several years in Mumbai recently, of flyovers crumbling, footbridges breaking apart and costing lives. But it's a similar story right now as we're seeing, where no accountability has been fixed. My colleague Sandhya now joins us for more on this. Sandhya, first of all, just refresh our memories about this incident and which agency has been responsible for this.
So, Aarti, this was actually a portion of an under-construction flyover in Mumbai's BKC area. This flyover is being built by MMRDA. MMRDA comes under urban development. This is that agency which is responsible for this particular flyover. It's an urban development agency. Now, talking about what happened, the incident took place on 17th of September, and one portion of that under construction flyover collapsed and it injured 14 labourers. Yes, Aarti, 14 labourers were injured, and on the same day, Urban Development Minister Eknath Shinde, who is also MMRDA chairperson, announced that a committee will be formed and accountability will be fixed and action will be taken within 15 days of the incident. It's been 3 months, no concrete action against anyone so far. Aarti.
Okay, now, Sandhya, there was supposed to be a deadline, there was supposed to be action that was promised within a certain time frame, but as we've seen, just another promise that's gone unadhered to.
Yes, absolutely, Aarti. See, when the incident took place on 17th of September, the same day when Eknath Shinde, who is Urban Development Minister and MMRDA chairperson, he visited the spot. In fact, Mirror Now confronted him, and Mirror Now asked that what exactly is going to happen next. Whether it is safe to carry on the rest of the construction or not, because we don't know what led to that particular collapse. Was there something wrong with the design? Was the material of not the correct standard quality? What exactly, where did the lapse happen? Because remember, MMRDA also claimed that a team of MMRDA officials accompanied by private consultants audits the under construction project on a daily basis, which means few hours before the collapse, the auditing happened. But clearly, whatever the lapse was, it did not, the committee, the team which was auditing that particular flyover couldn't catch that, and that's exactly why we saw that the collapse happened. So an action was assured within 15 days by the minister himself. He assured that a committee is formed, committee is looking into the matter, committee is going to prepare a report, fix the accountability, and based on that, within 15 days, the action against those who are responsible will be taken. But as I said, it's been 3 months and there is no action against anybody whatsoever. There's no concrete action. In fact, today we confronted MMRDA commissioner as well, and all he PCC said that they are examining the report, they are trying to understand it. After that, they are also...
Santa, I really apologize for interrupting you. I do apologize for interrupting you, but I want to go across to Kishori Pendikar, who is the mayor of Mumbai. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. We've seen this happen repeatedly in the past where civic infrastructure collapses. Every politician comes in, says we will make sure that justice is done, we will promise accountability, responsibility will be fixed, we are fixing a commission, we are putting together a panel, but nothing happens after that because you think that the public has forgotten, that the media has forgotten. Okay, we've lost that line with Mumbai's mayor. We'll try and reconnect with her in just a bit. But I'm also told Mahesh Tapase of the NCP is joining us. Mr. Tapase, good evening. Thanks so much for joining us this evening. Let me take the same question to you. We've seen it's almost become perfunctory. It's almost become routine to set up a committee to look into this, to then say we'll give you a report, we'll promise action, those who are responsible will be held accountable. But nothing happens because you think that everyone's just forgotten about it.
Well, good evening to you and to all your viewers. Let me tell you that we have not forgotten the unfortunate accident which has happened. Okay, that said, the metro track is in process of getting completion. An unfortunate accident has happened when a metro pillar has fallen off. But that does not mean that the government is trying to shield somebody. Reports are being made how and why it has happened. It's a very specialized kind of a work. I mean, one has to understand that even while dealing with contingencies like this kind of a mishap, the report has to be made in such a way to pinpoint the exact error. We can't just blame anybody and everybody for whole lapse, but to pinpoint the error, actually what happened, whether it was the steel, whether it was the cement, whether it was lapse on part of the site engineer who could not place the slab in the place. So all these things have to be taken. I think samples for concrete have been taken, samples for the steel has been taken, and government is awaiting, the MMRDA commissioner is awaiting a detailed report. And I assure you that if any lacuna on part of the contractor vis-a-vis this project is there, then 100% action will be taken.
Mr. Tapase, the report has already been submitted. It was supposed to be 15 days. Now, you're saying it's almost the reaction that you're giving me right now is what you would have probably said the day the accident actually happened. But it was supposed to be a 15-day deadline. We're now looking at 3 months. And as has been the norm, we're going to see one extension after the other, or this report and this the responsibility just quickly shrugged under the carpet.
There is no responsibility being shoved under the carpet. The entire MMRDA executive comprises of, elected representatives in the MMR region, which is the MLAs, the MP, and there are also elected representatives in the municipal corporation of Mumbai, Thane, Kalyan, Dombivli, and Bhiwandi. So I assure you that there is nothing has been hushed up and nothing has been put under the carpet. Awaiting a technical detailed report. See, now a technical report, only a technical person of the grade of an engineer will understand. Even if I happen to be a member of the MMRDA, and if you put any technical report in front of me, so I as an individual may not be competent enough to take any action on it unless a reference is made to a technical expert. Now, that technical expert can be internal or it can be external. That I do not know how MMRDA Commissioner is dealing with that aspect. But since MMRDA also has a technical divisions team, they have their engineers in place, they have their city engineers, they have specialized people to do the tendering, to evaluate the process of engineering, and to give the final clearance certificate. So I'm sure after the report is submitted, I also watched what the MMRDA Commissioner said. He said I
do apologize. I apologize. Mr. Tapase, I apologize. I really am sorry for interrupting you once again. I do apologize, but we have the Mumbai mayor back on the line. Ma'am, good evening. मेरे नाम से बात करने के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद. इतनी बार हमने देखा है जब कोई ऐसे इंसिडेंट होती है, जब कोई घटना होती है, किसी की जान जाती है या किसी को इंजरी होती है, सब सरकार आके या तो सब गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स आके बोलते हैं 1 महीने में हम अकाउंटेबिलिटी फिक्स करेंगे, 1 महीने में जो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है हम उसको सजा देंगे, हम कड़ी निंदा करते हैं इसका, लेकिन उसके बाद कुछ होता नहीं है. आप समझते हो कि पब्लिक भूल गई, मीडिया भूल गई, तो चलो हम ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ लेते हैं?
नहीं, हेलो हेलो।
जी जी मैम, प्लीज गो अहेड।
एक
Yes, please go
ऐसा
ahead.
नहीं होता है। एक जिस तरह ये फ्लाईओवर कोलैप्स हुआ है उसमें इंजर्ड हुए, लोग डेथ भी हुए। अभी जो कमिश्नर है, जो उनके हेड है मुंबई MMRDA के, वो खुद भी कह रहे हैं कि इसकी जानकारी और उसकी तहकीकात करनी जरूरी है, और वो कर रहे हैं। इसका मतलब ऐसा है कि हाँ, एक बार बात हो गई, भूल गए, ऐसा नहीं होता है। सिस्टम है अपना, और सिस्टम में उस टाइम भी उन्होंने जो इंजोर थे वो सब पूरा ही किया था, लेकिन उनका कुछ हक या किसने किया है, कौन जिम्मेदार है, वो तो तय करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि MMRDA का ही फ्लाईओवर था। इसका मतलब है बॉडी अलग अलग हो सकती है, लेकिन जिम्मेदारी तो सबकी है। इसीलिए वो तहकीकात करे। मुझे भी 1 महीना पहले ही वो मिले थे, तभी भी मैंने उनको पूछा था कि सर, वो फ्लाईओवर जो कोलैप्स हुआ है उसमें जो लोग इंजूर और ये हुआ है उनका क्या हुआ, तो बोले नहीं, जल्द से जल्द मैडम हम कर रहे हैं। इसका मतलब है, और श्रीनिवासन सर महानगर पालिका बाकी सब करके काम करते हैं, करके गए हैं। तो मुझे ना, और बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट अधिकारी है वो, तो लेंगे एक्शन।
मैम, जो अभी आपने बोला है, आपको भी खुद ऐसा ही सरकारी जवाब मिला है, हम करेंगे, हम देखेंगे, हम कार्रवाई करेंगे, ये जवाब आपको भी मिला है। आपने बोला 1 महीने के बाद। तो अगर ये जो लेबरर्स है, जो एकदम पुअर फैमिली से आते हैं, क्या उनको कोई जस्टिस नहीं मिलेगी कि सिर्फ हम कड़ी निंदा करके छोड़ देंगे, भूल जाएंगे इसके बारे में? आप खुद मान रहे हो कि आपको भी ये जवाब मिला है कि हम देखेंगे, हम सोचेंगे, हम कार्रवाई करेंगे?
सोचेंगे नहीं मैडम प्लीज। उन्होंने हम लोग एक जिसको हम एक लॉ की बॉर्डर बोलते हैं या कायदे की, वो सब देखते ही। और जो पुअर थे उस टाइम, हमारे राहुल शिवाड़े हो या बाकी लोग भी जाके मदद की है। हम कभी नहीं छोड़ेंगे ऐसे पुअर लोगों को। तो थोड़ा बॉर्डर में रखना पड़ता है, और जो जिम्मेदार है उसके ऊपर तो पहला ये करना पड़ेगा ना। और उनको छोड़ा नहीं है, जिनको मदद ये, तो उस टाइम जब ये हुआ हादसा, तभी जो खासदार उधर गए थे, बाकी लोगों ने थोड़ी थोड़ी मदद भी की है। अभी गवर्नमेंट का जो कायदा अलग होता है या रूल अलग होते हैं, और माइग्रेंट जो लोग रहते हैं, जो जिसको हम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट सिस्टम से बोलते हैं, उनका अलग है। उसके लिए ही थोड़ा सा बॉर्डर में लेके ही काम करना पड़ेगा।
मैम, एक आखिरी सवाल। ऐसे जब घटनाएं होती है, और कई सारी बार मुंबई में हमने ऐसे देखा, जब फ्लाईओवर कोलैप्स होता है, फुटब्रिज कोलैप्स होता है, हम कई बार ये देख चुके हैं जहां पर 2 अथॉरिटीज, बी इट रेलवेज या BMC या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, जिसके भी अंडर वो आता है, वो बहस में लग जाते हैं। और उसी बहस में अगेन आई कम टू दैट, अकाउंटेबिलिटी फिक्स नहीं होती है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फिक्स नहीं होती है। जैसे CST में भी हुआ था, जब वो फ्लाईओवर कोलैप्स हो गया, 6 लोगों की मौत हुई, BMC और रेलवेज झगड़ा में लग गए।
एक तो अपने इधर 17 के ऊपर एक हर एक MMRDA जैसे बनी हुई संस्था है, और उनको पूरे अधिकार तो दे दिए, और वो होना भी जरूरी है। लेकिन अभी जैसा आपने कहा कि केंद्र, रेलवे, ये तो वही वैसे ही जो टाइप पहले से आया है। लेकिन मैं खुद अपने अभी जैसा 1 महीना, तो मैं भी उनके अभी पीछे लगने वाली है। बाबा क्या हुआ, मुझे भी जवाब चाहिए। फर्स्ट सिटीजन है तो जवाब दे दो।
Okay, Kishori Pedekar, Mayor of Mumbai, thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. I think it's a telling comment where even the mayor says, I've not gotten a response. It's a telling comment where the mayor says, I'm going to get after them to get a response, because that's how lax our authorities have been. That's how lax the MMRDA, which is the agency, has been, where they've put their hand up and just assumed that everybody has forgotten about it. If my colleague Sandhya is still with us, Sandhya, let me just come to you, Sandhya, for the broader picture that we were talking about earlier. That's something that I even asked the mayor about, the lack of accountability, the lack of responsibility, not just in this incident, but several that we have seen in the past.
See, Aarti, you said one thing to the mayor, that she also got one sarkari jawab, and that is something she was passing on to us as well. Now I'll tell you why exactly we are saying that. Because mayor who is representing the city, who comes from a party which is in alliance forming the government in the state of Maharashtra, the CM comes from that very party, and she didn't even know the details of the incident she was talking about. Nobody died in that incident. It's true that 14 laborers were injured, but thankfully nobody died. So we all can understand how seriously she was speaking about it. Similarly, when earlier NCP spokesperson, another party which has formed the government in the state in an alliance with the rest of the parties, he was clueless about the incident we were talking about because he referred to some other incident. So this shows that how serious the authorities are. Because while talking to media about it, after being briefed that what exactly we are going to talk to them about, they don't even have basic facts, don't even know which incident they are talking about. Now talking about the broader picture, coming to the accountability part. So that flyover, which the collapse of which the portion collapsed and resulted into injuring 14 laborers, that particular flyover is being built by MMRDA, and the construction contract is given to J. Kumar Infra Projects. That's that one firm which was actually blacklisted by BMC in its road repair scam. And when the flyover portion collapsed at that time, Mirror Now exclusively highlighted this also. Now talking about setting the accountability, the fact is it was supposed to happen within 15 days. It's been 3 months, and we don't know as of now that how much more time the authorities are going to take in order just to ensure that who was responsible. Taking action is another thing altogether, but who exactly was responsible, that is something which is not fixed yet. And how long the authorities are going to fix that, that is also not known so far. So this shows that how serious the authorities are and on what path we are and what's the speed when it comes to fixing the accountability. Aarti.
Okay, Sandhya, thanks so much for that. At Mirror Now, of course, we continue to demand accountability from our civic authorities, be it in Mumbai or any other metro in our country. Sandhya bringing us that exclusive there.